On this occasion, I want to discuss about the cow, which is about the cows and how to treat it. Before I will to introduce myself. My name is Putri Salma. My nickname Putri. I am 19 years old. I am from Batam. I am a student Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. My major is management and I live at Kencana number 19. Let's move on to the first video. Causes such as exposed to dust, virus infection, smoking, damage to the vocal cords, and just go right to the home remedies tutorial. Material need: 1 sauce sachet, 2 1 medium lime, and 3 ice warm and ice water. The first step: 1 prepare the glass, 2 then cut the lime into 2 parts and remove the seed, 3 then squeeze the lime into a glass. Four, then add enough soy sauce. 5, then pour enough warm water in the glass. And last, finally stir well and ready to drink. Thank you. That's a traditional material that can be used as a natural medicine that is effective and safe to consume. Okay, so that's a tutorial for me, hopefully useful for everyone. See you guys and thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Beautiful.